Welcome to WYNT GitHub channel. In this video, we are going to see how to design login page in Quasar, which is Vue.js framework. So let's select login page template. We will choose one simple login page template. So we can design it in minimum time. Yes, it is simple and looking cool. So we will design this login page. For that, we will need to create one row, and we will divide a row into two columns. One right side column for displaying image and left side column for our login page sections. Okay, let's start. For that, we will create one page login dot view. We will take one template tag and then script tag. We will give name as a login comma and data method, which will return data to our template. Okay, and take a div and class row, and take another div class call md7, call sm7 and call lg7. Okay, so we will copy this make it 5. So we will take one cube image src. For that cube image we will require one image, so I have one image and I will use this. Okay, for that copy, go to your project folder in project and then source in assets and copy it, paste it, sorry. Okay, so you can see it here, student.jpg. So we will give it here. Okay, let's look, is it visible or not. For that we have to route in this. We will use change it to login. Okay, comma, go to your browser and then localhost 8080 and then okay, our image is visible now. So we will increase height, so give it style height to 600 px. Okay, we'll require more pixels, so 50. We'll give add another 5 pixels. Yes, is it now good? So let's take div class we will take in this div we will take div class text h6 and then login to continue. Okay, for that we will use it text center. We'll check it. Yes, So we will increase text bold first, increase the size as a H5. Okay, yes. Now U Q, P top XL. Okay, let's see, give it padding here also, Q P top XL. Okay, and then we will take another div for Q input and take a Q input, V model email, and then label as a email. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have to give it Q P A S M. We have to give another, sorry, PT. We will make it PT SM. Okay, and then we will use it here, Q MT XL. Okay, make it outlined. Yes, it is now good. Control C and take a Control V and change it to password and make it password. Okay, yes, we have taken now. Okay, we will give space in between Q inputs class Q empty SM. Okay, we have taken two inputs, Q inputs, and then we will select how is it looking. Now we will require one checkbox and forward password hyperlink. For that we will take another div. Okay, div class, then in this we will take a Q checkbox, V model equal to check. Okay, and then label will be remember me. Okay, and then checkbox is equal to, we will, so checkbox will be a false. Okay, and then email will be empty and password will be also empty. Okay, yes, we have taken. So we will need another hyperlink. For that, take a hyperlink href, and then for that take a forgot password. Okay, and for question mark, and we will give it class for that. So we will look how is it looking. Yes, for that in class float right. Is not going to float. Okay, so we will, sorry, 80. Yes, okay, we will remove the underline. For that we will need, okay, style, text decoration, none. Okay, yes. Now we will use one login button. For that we will take login button in this QBTN v model as a login. Okay, and we will not require v model. Okay, label login, and then style will be width 100%. Okay, so let's look at how is looking. Yes, so we will give it color and BG primary. Okay, and then text white. Look, yes, now is it looking good? We have to give padding for that also, and we will give QPASM. Check. Yes, is it now good? Okay, but we need to give padding also, so that it will increase its height. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, now we need to, for displaying this icon, we will take one div class q empty excel. Okay, and then span class text gray. For or sign up using okay, we will check this. Okay, then text center. Okay, text center, we will take it text center. Okay, now we are going to display these icons. For that we need to search for font awesome, then icons, and then Facebook. We will take this Facebook icon. Okay, for that we will take one div class, and then in this q button btn icon equal to fab fa Facebook. Okay, minus f, and then size equal to sn. Let's see. Okay, we'll now make it round. Okay, and bg color will be bg blue. Okay, and text white. Now we will search for Twitter. For Twitter we are going to use this. Copy this, Control C, Control V, and then Peter, we'll see. Okay, we will check it. Sorry. Yeah, so we will give it some Q gutter SL. Yes, we have completed our login page. If you want to give space in this between, so Q empty MD. Okay, you can check this and even login for, suppose, jam@gmail.com and password can be anything, 1 2 3 4 5. We can set password as well. Type equal to 1. Okay, it will not be visible. In next video, we will add validations to Q inputs and connect with it backend. That is, we will use Flask REST API with authentications. For such more videos, like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I will upload new videos. Thanks for watching.